On UK roads, danger doesn't always roar in with speed, or strike in a storm, or come from a moment of carelessness. Sometimes, it comes quietly. From the driver who should never have been there at all. No insurance. No protection. No accountability. And in the instant they collide with you, everything changes. Every year, thousands of innocent drivers are hit by people who took the wheel without responsibility, without legality, without a second thought for the consequences. It's not rare. It's not unusual. It's a reality that plays out on motorways, country lanes, and city streets every single day. But when it happens to you, you are not alone. And you are far from powerless. This is what you must do when your car is hit by an uninsured driver. Step 1, the moment of impact. In the seconds after a collision, the world becomes distorted, louder, sharper, unreal. Your heart races. Your thoughts scatter. Time bends. Even the simplest actions feel distant. But your first task is simple and vital: protect life. Check for injuries, yours, your passengers, anyone involved. If anyone is hurt, call 999 immediately. If the road is blocked, call 999. If there is danger, leaking fuel, oncoming traffic, fire, call 999. Emergency services would rather attend a false alarm than arrive too late. If it is safe, move your vehicle to the side. If it is not safe, stay inside with your seatbelt on. A stationary car can be a shield. Stepping into traffic cannot. And in the chaos of those first moments, clarity becomes your greatest ally. Take a breath. Steady yourself. You are about to take control of the situation. Step 2, capture the truth. When the dust settles, evidence becomes your shield. Photograph everything, and I mean everything. The damage to your car. The damage to theirs. The road. The weather. The position of the vehicles. Skid marks. Debris. Traffic signs. The surroundings. Every detail matters. Every image tells a story. And when the other driver has no insurance, your evidence becomes the voice they hoped would never be heard. Secure your dashcam footage. Back it up. Save it to the cloud if you can. If your dashcam records audio, keep that too. Tone, behavior, and comments can matter later. Gather witness details, names, phone numbers, what they saw. People forget. People disappear. Your evidence does not. If you're shaken, ask a passenger or bystander to help you gather information. Most people are willing to assist when they realize the other driver may be uninsured. This is not paranoia. This is preparation. Step 3, the driver who shouldn't be there. If it's safe, ask for their name, address, and vehicle details. But do not confront them. Do not accuse them. Do not chase them. Uninsured drivers often panic. Some become defensive. Some become aggressive. Some flee. If they run, let them. Do not follow. Do not put yourself in danger. Do not escalate the situation. Your evidence, your photos, your footage, your witnesses, will follow them even when they run. If they refuse to give details, note everything you can. Their appearance. Their behavior. Their number plate. Their passengers. The direction they leave. Even fragments can help the police identify them later. Remember, your safety comes first. You are not the police. You are not required to detain anyone. Your job is to gather information, not enforce the law. Step 4, the law steps in. Driving without insurance is a crime. And the law is clear. Report the incident to the police on 101. Only call 999 if danger remains. Your report becomes the foundation for everything that follows. It creates a legal record, a time-stamped acknowledgement that you were hit by someone who should not have been on the road. You will receive a reference number. Keep it safe. You will need it for your insurer. And for the organization that protects victims of uninsured drivers. The police may attempt to trace the driver. Check ANPR cameras. Visit the registered keeper. Issue penalties. Prosecute. Their involvement strengthens your case. It also prevents the uninsured driver from harming someone else. Step 5. Your insurer. Next, contact your insurer, even if you don't intend to make a claim. If you have comprehensive cover, they may repair your vehicle. Your excess may apply. Your no-claims bonus may be affected. If you have third-party only, your insurer cannot help with repairs. But that does not mean you are left alone. Because in the shadows of every uninsured driver, stands the organization built to protect you. The MIB, the Silent Guardian. The Motor Insurers Bureau. A name many drivers never hear, until the day they need it most. Created to defend the innocent. Funded by the insurance industry. Designed to step in when the person who hit you cannot, or will not, take responsibility. Here is how they help. They repair or replace your vehicle. When the uninsured driver has nothing to offer, the MIB can cover the cost of repairs, or compensate you if your car is written off. They reimburse your losses. Recovery fees. Storage charges. Travel costs. Lost earnings. Damaged belongings. If you can prove it, the MIB can consider it. They compensate for injuries. Pain. Suffering. Medical treatment. Rehabilitation. The MIB ensures you are not left to carry the burden alone. They act even when the driver disappears. If the offender flees the scene, an untraced driver, the MIB can still step in. Your evidence becomes the key. Your police report becomes the anchor. They investigate on your behalf. They gather reports, witness statements, and expert assessments. They become the insurer the other driver should have had. It may take time. It may require patience. But the MIB exists for one purpose. To ensure you are not punished for someone else's crime. Step 6, your no-claims bonus. If you claim through your insurer, your no-claims bonus may be affected, unless your policy protects you from uninsured drivers. If you claim through the MIB, your bonus usually remains untouched. Some insurers offer uninsured driver protection, which means you won't lose your no-claims bonus. You won't pay your excess. Your premium may not increase. If you're unsure whether you have this protection, check your policy documents or ask your insurer directly. Step 7, the aftermath. The collision may be over, but the impact lingers. You may feel shaken for days. You may replay the moment in your mind. You may feel anger, frustration, or disbelief that someone could drive without insurance and put you, and others, at risk. These feelings are normal. Take time to process what happened. Speak to friends or family. If you feel anxious about driving again, ease yourself back into it gradually. If you were injured, follow medical advice. Keep receipts, appointment letters, and treatment notes, they may support your claim. And remember, you did nothing wrong. You followed the law. You protected yourself. You gathered evidence. You sought help. The responsibility lies with the person who chose to drive illegally, not with you. Being hit by an uninsured driver is unfair. It is frightening. And it can feel isolating. But you are not without support. You have the law. You have your evidence. And you have the Motor Insurers Bureau, standing behind you when the person who hit you cannot. Stay calm. Stay focused. And know your rights. Because even when someone else breaks the rules, you still have a path to justice. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe, like and share it. It may help someone else on the day they need it most.